Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create email campaigns with Shopify AI assistants. I'll guide you through how to quickly generate engaging email content, personalize messages for each of your customers, and set up campaigns that actually reach the right audience and drive results. We'll also see how Shopify AI can save you time by handling repetitive tasks, giving you more freedom to focus on growing your store. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to run smarter, more effective email marketing campaigns. What we first want to do is open our Shopify website. Then go to the right side of the screen and click the face icon, which is the built-in AI assistant that helps you run your store faster and smarter. It can do things like write product description, suggest marketing ideas, analyze your sales, and even create workflows, all from simple commands. Then a new chat will be created between you and the AI. After that, we will give it a command. Let's say the command be, set me up a campaign, but be specific the next time you write a command, then we will tell it to be an email campaign. Then it lists down a campaign generator apps. Then we will choose the one that is good for us, based on what the AI said. If you scroll down, it will tell you the disadvantage and also the advantage of all the campaign apps. Then after choosing, we can customize our campaign right there by clicking the part we want to customize, or by going to the left side of the screen. Then after finishing up our customization, we will click Save at the top right corner. To sum up, we saw how to create email campaigns using Shopify AI assistants, from generating engaging and high-quality content to personalizing your messages and setting everything up so your emails reach the right audience and actually drive real results for your store. We also explored how you can use AI to speed up your workflow, reduce manual effort, and create more effective campaigns without needing advanced skills, making it a powerful tool for growing your store. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.